The classroom is one learning environment. Taking kids outside and away from screens and devices and showing them that they can build something, they can grow something, they can nurture something, and they learn more because of that movement and that engagement with the world around them. I am Melinda Baer. I am a kindergarten teacher here at Valencia Elementary School. I teach kindergarten. Make sure you draw your mom with
a kid.
With you. With a kid. I went to school in this school district, and my kindergarten teacher actually inspired me to become a teacher. You know, what do you want to be when you grow up? And that's what I wrote, and I have that framed at home.
Melinda just has that internal drive to do good and to affect others. It's very important for a school to feel like a community. She always makes everyone feel like we're a team and we can do this together.
She gives back to the community. She has the kids volunteering all the time. Her own children are volunteering all the time in the community, so she's really about that.
When you just look around the school and walk around the school, you know that she's had a part of just about all of it.
She recently has redone our staff lounge. Single-handedly did a bunch of stuff in there on a weekend.
Cleaning out our science lab.
Two of the big things that she's involved in right now is the Seekers Club, which is a kindness club, and then redoing our school garden.
This is going to be the future home of our Valencia garden.
She's just always going. She gets up at 5 a.m. every morning. She's probably here by 6:30 every morning.
All right, walking feet.
I don't know where she gets her energy from, but it's incredible to watch, and I will do whatever I can to support her and what she does here. So this morning we had our normal monthly flag ceremony, and we did everything as normal.
Okay, we're almost there. Let's have a seat quickly and quietly.
And then Mrs. Fries got up and shared a little bit about our kindness club and went into the whole thing about me, which is really hard to hear somebody say really nice things about you because it makes you emotional.
I would like to acknowledge one person that tirelessly gives to this school, our staff, and our students and families. Mrs. Baer, I am so thankful for you and all that you do for Valencia. From the bottom of my heart, thank you. Mrs. Baer, you might want to turn around.
The Honda guys came out the door and had several carts of incredible supplies, things that we've needed and wanted for a while. There's pencils and crayons and things to build a planter, and there's plants and soil. It's just incredible.
We also have a $500 gift certificate from Home Depot and a $500 Amazon card for you.
Oh my goodness, thank you so much. The kids are over the moon excited. They want to know when we're going to start and can we do it now? Today was a great way to really show them that, well, this is exciting. I want to be a part of something bigger than myself.
I got tomatoes.
What is that?
Tomatoes.
Those are tomatoes?
There was no other person that I could think that was more deserving of this than you, Melinda. I'm so grateful for everything that you do for this school, and not only are you just a wonderful, kind, giving human being, but you're a fantastic teacher too, and I appreciate you so very much.
It's just good to know that there's people like Melinda out there who are doing good for the community.
Melinda, I am so proud of you. I'm so proud to be your friend, and I'm so proud to have had the opportunity to work alongside you for 4.5 years. And I'm so thankful that you're here at Valencia impacting students.